All right, thought I'd walk down here and see what they doing. It's fitting to rain, so. Albert, you probably want to feed them as quick as you can. What y'all down here doing? Hey, girls. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Where you coming, Tita Mama? Or get Pep Pee. What the mama got for you? What the mama got? You love the mama? You loving on the mama? Huh? Mama bring good treats. Let's get Pep one. We want a cracker. I got some crackers in here too. Huh? You pretty baby? Mama pretty man? Your mama pretty man? Albert, there's a chicken right here beside of me. Go back down there. Y'all gonna get ate. The dogs are gonna eat you. Ain't so pretty. Ain't so pretty. Come Betty Ann. I gotta take Betty Ann a treat. Betty Ann gonna beat you up and run. Hey girls, come here. Mama got something for you. Look what mama got. Leave him alone. Come here. Don't be mean to him, Betty Ann. Betty Ann. I know you be mean. Don't be mean. Come here. No, y'all had some this morning. No, don't be mean. Y'all don't fight. Get down. You hurt. Move. Come here, Betty Ann. Here. Here, Betty Ann. Betty Ann, I can't keep them away. Ow, you hurt. No. No. Betty Ann, stop being mean to everybody here. Come here. Come get your treat. Y'all don't thump. Tina. Uh-oh. Bumped it. That's it. It's all gone. It's all gone. You mad? You want Daddy to feed you? Daddy's gonna feed you. I love you. Gonna let me pet you or you gonna butt me? Come here. Let me stop being mean. Stop being so damn mean. Come here. All I want to do is love you. Come here. You've been with us long enough to know I'm not going to hurt you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Y'all don't fight. All right, y'all. I'm fitting to go in. Just walked down here to see y'all. I'll be down here in the morning. We're going to come down here in the morning. Come here. Come here, Tina Weena. Tina, give me some love. Tina. Come here. Come give me some love. You love me? I love you. Y'all ain't gonna fight. Angel, you know y'all gonna fight. No, but y'all need to get somebody to do your feet, baby. They're getting bad. All right, y'all. I'm going in. Bye. You mad? He's coming to feed you. You mad at him? You ready for chow call right now, ain't you? Moo. Want me to go make him come feed you? You want your groceries? Ain't gonna move again? Well, somebody's got a healthy pee-pee. Somebody got a healthy pee-pee. Somebody got a healthy pee-pee. Good girl. You gonna moo again? Moo. Moo. He's coming, baby. He went to get it. You know it's time to eat. Can I get some love? Can I get a little love? Hmm? You ain't gonna bite me, are you? Don't bite me, okay? Don't bite. Don't bite hard. No. Don't bite hard. You know better than that. Don't bite, okay? We don't bite. We love, okay? I got a million gnats around here. Y'all waiting on chow call? Y'all waiting for some food? Who wants some food? Angel wants some food. Angel, we gotta get your feet done too, baby. They get bad. Gotta get your feet done. You alright, Albert? Well, Betty Ann says she'll come help you now. Betty Ann says she can help you if you need it. I don't think she's too calm right now. She's ready to eat. We have got to catch them chickens. Look at them pretty face. Look at that nose. Give me that nose. I'll get that nose. I will. I'll get that nose. Don't run from me. All right, y'all, I'm going in. I love y'all. I know, Daddy's coming. He's going to feed everybody. Betty Ann says she see them buckets coming. Come, Daddy, with the buckets. Daddy coming with them buckets, Betty Ann. Betty Ann said, I love to see them orange buckets coming. Look at them things over there. They ready. Everybody really. They're doing the Thriller. You think that turkey's in pain with that big old cyst? She eats and everything, don't she? And still mean, ain't she? Do you ever catch her and feel it? Because it's gotten so big, ain't it? Yeah, I know. She's alright. Just leave her alone. Yeah, you hateful. I know you mean. You are mean, Mr. Rooster. Mean, mean, mean. You better go in the back, chicken. This chicken's in the backyard. He was in the backyard over here a while ago walking around. But Ann says she's ready for her snack. We all headed down to the gate. Y'all going down to the gate? Come here. Stop swinging your ear at me. I don't think Betty Ann's your friend no more. I could be wrong. Stella! Stella wanted that piece of granola bar. She stuck her head all the way through the fence. You go down there and they come running. Yeah, I know. So you telling me Stella don't try to catch them? Yeah. So I wonder what happened to all the pears that was on this tree. You think they just fell off?